Hey everyone, today I'm in Savannah, Georgia. I'm here for a day trip. So today I'm gonna do hop on, hop off tour. I'm gonna try some food and we're gonna go to a museum, very popular museum over here. So I'm pretty excited, and this is the river over here. It has very amazing views. So let's get started. Right now we are walking on the riverfront plaza. Wow, there are some cartoons over there. Okay, you get the cartoons. We're gonna walk in Savannah. We have a boat where we can do a tour for the city. These are the small boats over here. We have a bridge over there. There's some ships sailing over, and they are docking over there. And this is a hotel. And this is the map of Savannah. This is the river street, and the vibes are very amazing. The stone road, it's pretty good. These are shops over here. We are here for the trolley tour. We're gonna hop in this one of these buses, and here is the parking deck. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good. How are you?
I am excellent. Always inspire in Savannah. That was featured in a movie. We'll talk about the movie right after Sonal Asija here. This church over there is getting out. And on your right, across the street, big columns, that's Sonal Asija. Pay special attention to all of the wrought iron, especially the events closest to the road. That's events of poets and presidents. Now look around the neighborhood, folks. You see all kinds of wrought iron. Back in the 1880s, 90s, wrought iron was all the rage, and it was fun. St. John the Baptist. That is a church. The stained glass is stunning.
We got our this thingy. Gonna go. Everyone is getting there.
Wait, hold on. No, these.
No, you can grab this. Oh my God, that's a great shot. Oh yeah, that is a good shot. How y'all doing? Did you see that?
This is a picture of the house. So, the kids.
You put some hair on him. Doesn't this look like Rod Burkhardt in it? Stand back.
A little bit, yeah.
Hello.
So right now we are going to have lunch at this amazing place, Lady and Son, and the owner is Paul Dina, right? Paula Dean. She's she's known for southern food, so we're gonna try. We're gonna order something from here.
We're doing family style.
These are the all alcohols. Here is the food: gumbo, chicken and dumpling, rice, fried chicken.
That's what we had earlier.
What's this?
Here, Broccoli casserole.
Okay, and that's, what's that?
Cream of corn.
Cream of corn, and this is salad. And that's pretty much it.